Hello children, welcome to the world of Science Explorica. So बच्चों, my name is Bhagyashri and we are going to get into the world of science. अब आपको पता है आपके आसपास जो भी चीज़ें होती है, whatever is there, whether it is natural, whether it is man-made, everything has science behind it, okay, and there is a reason why it has been made, and most of the things are made because of scientific reasons and using scientific formulas and requirements. So बच्चों, जैसे कि जब हम science पढ़ेंगे, we will come to know कि why things are happening around us, why is the nature in a particular manner, what does it do for us. So many different questions that keep bothering you all the time. उन सारे questions के जवाब आपको मिलेंगे when we get into all these chapters, and your knowledge is going to get enhanced. Basically आपको समझेगा कि क्यों चीज़ें होती है. So let's explore all the chapters and learn them in order to understand the science behind everything, and let's explore it quickly. Chapter 1, Unit 1, Plant World, Plants Around Us. So बच्चों, जब आप घर के बाहर निकलते हो, okay, when you see, when you just step out of the house, most of the time what do you see around you? Yes, you see the best gift of nature, okay, and what is this best gift of nature? Yes, we see a different types of plants and trees all around us. So we're going to talk about plants around us in this chapter and know about them more. So our learning goals are, we are going to talk about the types of plants, we are going to talk about parts of a plant, and we are going to talk about lifespan of plants. So ये क्या है, इसका detailed study हम करेंगे, alright? But before we start with the chapter, okay, let's have some fun, okay? So let's get started, and you have to help Chinky bird to reach the mango tree. So आपको Chinky bird को help करना है to reach the mango tree, alright? So plants are found all around us, be it a garden, field or forest or roadside. Human beings and animals need plants for food, oxygen, shelter and for many more things. So हम सबको पता है कि plants are a very important and crucial part of our life, okay? Without plants, okay, ना हमें खाना मिलेगा, ना हमें oxygen मिलेगा, okay? Shelter is also provided by plants, okay, and not only that, we get a lot many other things जो हमें plants से मिलते हैं. तो इसकी वजह से plants जो है they are very important for us, okay, और हम plants को we can find them in different places. It can be in a garden, it can be in the forest areas, it can be the fields, or it can also be on the roadsides, okay, in the streets and all, okay. So plants are found all around us. It's a gift of nature to mankind. So plants human beings के लिए important नहीं है. Plants also are important for the animals and birds. So it is very important for all living organisms, okay. So main fact तो ये है कि plants provide us with food, okay. So plants also provide food for the animals, alright. So now let's look at the different types of plants. Plants are of different sizes, shapes and colors. Most plants are green in color. Some plants are strong and some are weak. Some plants are very big and some are very small. Some can stand straight and some cannot. The plants that can stand straight can be divided into 3 groups on the basis of size, okay. So plants जो होते हैं वो एक ही जैसे नहीं होते, अलग अलग साइजेस के होते हैं, अलग अलग शेप्स के होते हैं, अलग अलग कलर्स के होते हैं, ओके. प्लांट्स के लीव्स भी अलग होते हैं, उनकी बनावट भी अलग होती है, ओके. सो कोई प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं, कोई प्लांट्स होते हैं जो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, काफ़ी बड़े होते हैं. सम प्लांट्स आर स्मॉल, सम प्लांट्स आर दे हैव वीक स्टेम्स, ओके. सो सम प्लांट्स आर सच दैट दे कैन नॉट स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, ओके. सम हैव नीड सपोर्ट टू क्लाइंब, सम क्रीप अलोंग द ग्राउंड. सो ये अलग अलग टाइप के प्लांट्स होंगे. नाउ द प्लांट्स दैट कैन stand straight, okay, जो they do not need any other support. Okay, इन plants को हम 3 category में divide करते हैं. Okay, so before we talk about the different types of plants and divide them, let's look at a fun fact. Fun fact. Plants are found on land as well as in water. So plants ना केवल आपको ज़मीन पे मिलेंगे, but आपको वो plants जो है पानी के नीचे भी मिलते हैं. Okay, so पानी के नीचे also they have the rocks and the soil which is there under the water which holds these plants. Okay, so we are going to talk about all these different types in detail. So let's first look at the different types of plants that can stand on their own. So these can be primarily divided into trees, shrubs and herbs. So let's talk about trees first. Big and tall plants, they are known as trees. A tree has a hard, strong and woody stem which is known as trunk. A trunk has a hard and thick covering which is known as bark. Many branches grow from the stems. Trees have long roots which grow deep into the soil to absorb water. Okay, so ये trees जो होते हैं ये actually big and tall plants को हम कहते हैं trees. अब trees का आप देखोगे जो stem होता है वो काफ़ी बड़ा होता है. It is woody. Okay, it is strong and it is big and wide. Okay, some trees have wide ones, some have narrow stems. Okay, तो ये जो हार्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग वुडी स्टेम होता है उसको हम कहते हैं ट्रंक. ओके, अब ये ट्रंक जो है उस पे एक कवरिंग लगा होता है. ओके, विच इज हार्ड एंड थिक. उस कवरिंग को कहते हैं बार्क. ओके, सो मेनी ब्रांचेस दैट दे ग्रो फ्रॉम द स्टेम. Trees also have long roots, okay, that grow deep into the soil and they absorb water. Okay, so what is a tree? It is a home for many birds and animals. Trees generally live for many years and mango, neem, banyan, these are some examples of trees. So trees जो होते हैं they are home to different types of birds, animals. Okay, तो इस पे birds रहते हैं, animals भी उसका सहारा लेते हैं, जैसे mango, जैसे monkey and all, you will find them on trees. Okay, so trees generally live for many years, बहुत सालों तक रहते हैं जब तक कोई उनको तोड़ ना दे या वो सूख ना जाए. Alright, so mango, neem, banyan, these are examples of trees. Let's look at a fun fact. The largest banyan tree in the world is the Great Banyan Tree in the Botanical Gardens of Kolkata. So the largest banyan tree in the world is the Great Banyan Tree in the Botanical Gardens of Kolkata. So Kolkata के Botanical Gardens में you will find the world's largest banyan tree. Alright, so if you get a chance, do visit the Botanical Garden to see this big tree. Shrubs. Shrubs, they are smaller than trees. They have bushy stems with many branches. These branches grow close to the ground. Rose, cotton, hibiscus and jasmine. They are examples of shrubs. Usually shrubs live for a few years. Okay, so shrubs जो होते हैं वो trees से छोटे होते हैं. अब जैसे tree होता है वैसे ही shrubs होते हैं, but shrubs में difference यही है कि वो छोटे होते हैं, bushy होते हैं और उनके भी stems जो होते हैं वो woody ही होते हैं. Certain shrubs will also have thorns on them, okay, to protect the flower or maybe the fruit that grows on them. So, generally you will see that they have thorns on them. They have a woody stem, okay, which is a hard woody stem. Now, these branches which are there, they are now known as shrubs and they are bushy because they grow very close to the ground. Rose, cotton, hibiscus, jasmine, okay, these are some examples of shrubs. अब shrubs जो है वो ज़्यादा सालों तक नहीं रहते, okay, either they stay season wise or they stay for few years and then they die, okay, and then from their seeds and all the new plant grows, okay. Then you have herbs. Now herbs, they are also very small plants. Okay, they live for few months or a season. Therefore, they are commonly known as seasonal plants. They have green and soft stems. Tomato, mint, spinach and coriander are some examples of herbs. अब herbs जो होते हैं वो भी small plants होते हैं. Okay, ये कुछ ही महीनों के लिए रहते हैं या फिर सीजन वाइज रहते हैं. ओके, एंड इसके लिए उनको सीजनल प्लांट्स कहते हैं. अब इनके भी जो स्टेम्स होते हैं वो ग्रीन होते हैं और सॉफ्ट होते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स आर टोमेटो, मिंट, स्पिनिच, कोरिएंडर. दीज आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ हर्ब्स. राइट, सो आप देखोगे ये ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकते, सीजन वाइज होते हैं. एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज मेक अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द श्रब्स एंड द हर्ब्स. ओके, श्रब्स जो है दे हैव वुडी स्टेम. Herbs जो है they have soft stems. Okay, shrubs do have thorns on them, herbs do not have thorns on them. Okay, so ऐसे आप उनको देख के आपको पता चल जाता. Alright, so now tickle your brain and name some herbs which are used as food. Okay, खाने में हम कौन से herbs का इस्तेमाल करते हैं आपको find out करना है. Okay, you can check with your mother also and she can tell you. So let's do a quick check of what we've learned. Okay, check yourself. Name the following: plants with a hard, strong and woody trunk. Okay, they are known as trees. Okay, plants with bushy stems growing near the ground. Okay, those are shrubs. Okay, plants with green and soft stems are herbs. All right. Now next category is of climbers and creepers. Okay, climbers जो नाम से ही हमें पता चलता है कि ये climb करते हैं. Okay, मतलब ये ऊपर ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. So these trees, okay, उनको support की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Okay, अगर उनको support नहीं मिलेगा तो they will keep on falling down on the ground. Okay, so some plants they have very weak stem. Okay, उनकी जो stem होती है, डंडी जो होती है वो काफ़ी weak होती है. इसकी वजह से they are not able to stand all by themselves. Okay, so they cannot stand straight on their own, and that is the reason why they always look out for a support. So इसमें भी दो categories आते हैं ऐसे plants के जिनको support की ज़रूरत है. एक है climbers, दूसरे है creepers. Okay, so let's look at the climbers first. Now these climbers they have long, thin and weak stem. So they have a stem but it is which is long, it is thin and it is weak. Okay, they cannot stand straight and they need a support like another plant or wall or rock to grow straight. So उनको support की ज़रूरत है, जैसे कि दूसरा एक plant का support लेते हैं या फिर दीवार का support लेते हैं या फिर कोई पत्थर होगा तो उसका support लेते हैं. So some plants ऐसे भी है जिसको हम support देते हैं, जैसे एक stick लगा दिया and then they grow or climb up around the stick. Okay, so these are all climbers. Example है money plant, grapevine, pea plant. Okay, these are examples of climbers. Next are creepers. Now some plants they have weak stem and they cannot climb up. So ये creepers जो होते हैं इनकी stem weak है, they cannot climb up. Okay, they have such weak stems कि वो ऊपर की तरफ भी नहीं बढ़ पाते. ओके, सो दे ग्रो अलोंग द ग्राउंड. अब इनका ग्रोथ जो होता है वो ग्राउंड के साथ ही होता है. ओके, सो दे क्रीप अलोंग द ग्राउंड. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर नोन एज क्रीपर्स. अनदर थिंग अबाउट दीज क्रीपर्स इज दैट कि इनका जो फ्रूट होता है, ओके, या फिर इनसे जो वेजिटेबल्स मिलते हैं आप देखोगे दे आर लार्ज इन साइज, दे आर बल्की एंड फ्लैशी. ओके, एंड दैट इज द रीजन वाई अगर ये ऊपर की तरफ ग्रो करेंगे तो ये फ्रूट नीचे गिर के burst हो जाएगा. So that is the reason why it also, because of their quality of being creepers, the fruit grows very well and stands firm on the ground. Okay, example is watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin. Okay, these are some examples of creepers. Okay, now you tickle your brain. Which type of plant is bottle gourd? A climber or a creeper? Find this out. All right. Fun fact. Let's look at a fun fact. Creepers develop roots at regular intervals from the stem. सो जो क्रीपर्स होते हैं उनको रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे फ्रॉम द स्टेम ओनली उनके रूट्स निकलते हैं. ऑलराइट, now let's look at the different parts of a plant. A plant has various parts, namely root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit and seeds. So plant के अलग अलग parts होते हैं जैसे हमारे human body के अलग अलग parts होते हैं. In the similar manner, even plants have different parts which play a role in the overall growth of the plant. Let's talk about leaf. A green leaf makes food for the plant. Leaves are called the food factory of the plant. So plant के लिए जो खाना बनता है वो बनता है in the leaf. Okay, and that is the reason why leaf को food factory of the plant भी कहलाते हैं. Then you have fruit and seeds. This is a soft and fleshy part of plant which contains seeds inside it. Okay, जो fruits और seeds होते हैं. Okay, fruit जो होता है वो fleshy, juicy part होता है of the plant और उसके अंदर होती है seed. Okay, जिससे नया fruit born होता है या नया plant born होता है. Alright. Bud and flower. So it is the bud that develops into a flower, the most colorful part of the plant. A flower changes into a fruit. So bud से बनता है flower, okay, जो plant का सबसे colorful हिस्सा होता है. Okay, अब जो flower होता है वो change हो जाता है into a fruit. Okay. Stem. The stem carries water and food to other parts of the plant. This is the part that keeps the plant upright. Okay, so stem जो होता है उसका काम होता है कि पूरे plant में पानी, food, okay, nutrients, minerals जो है सब carry करने का काम होता है. Okay, at the same time it also bears different branches on them. The leaves and all are there on them. Okay, whatever on the stem you will see that leaves come out, the fruits are attached. All right, so this is the part which also keeps the plant upright. Okay, it helps him to stay firm also and grow also. Next is the root. Root grows under the ground. It gives support to the plant. It also takes in water and other useful substances from the soil for the plant. रूट जो है वो ग्राउंड के नीचे ग्रो होता है. ओके, एंड इट ऑल्सो सपोर्ट्स द प्लांट. इट होल्ड्स इट फर्म टू द ग्राउंड, टू द सॉइल. ओके, मिट्टी में उसको फर्मली होल्ड कर देता है. इट ऑल्सो टेक्स इन वाटर एंड अदर यूजफुल सब्सटेंसेस फ्रॉम द सॉइल फॉर द प्लांट. सो रूट में ही जब हम पानी डालते इट टेक्स दैट, एब्जॉर्ब्स दैट वाटर. सॉइल में या मिट्टी में जो मिनरल्स होते हैं उनको एब्जॉर्ब करके ये फिर रूट से स्टेम में आता है एंड फ्रॉम स्टेम इट गोज टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ प्लांट्स. सो ये प्लांट्स कितने साल तक रहते हैं? ओके, हाउ मेनी ईयर्स डू दे सर्वाइव? ऑल प्लांट्स हैव डिफरेंट लाइफ स्पैन. ओके, big plants like mango trees and banyan trees, they live for a long period. So plants के हर plants के अलग अलग life span होती है. Okay, जैसे we also have different life spans. So some people live for years together, some people live for few years. So it all depends on the lifespan that person has. So however plants जो है okay, उनमें भी बड़े जो plants होते हैं जैसे कि mango tree हो गया, banyan tree हो गया, okay, they live for a long period of time. Okay, some plants like basil and money plant, okay, they live only for few years. Okay, whereas plants like sunflower and maize, they live only for a few months. Okay, so a basil plant हो गया, जैसे तुलसी, money plant हो गया, वो ये चंद सालों के लिए रहते हैं. Okay, sunflower, maize जो है वो कुछ महीनों के लिए रहते हैं. Okay, so fun fact, an apple tree may live for about 100 years. Okay, apple tree एक मतलब an apple tree, if it is taken good care of, it can live for around 100 years. Okay, so this is the lifespan of different plants. So now let's do a quick recap about plants around us. Okay, so what are the different types of plants that we've seen? Trees, which are big and tall plants. they have strong and woody stem. Okay, strong and woody stem को कहते हैं trunk, और उसके ऊपर जो covering होती है उसको कहते हैं bark. Okay, then we have seen shrubs. They are medium sized plants. Okay, and they are bushy plants. Okay, they also have a woody stem. Okay, they also have thorns on them. Then we've seen the herbs, which are small plants, और इनके जो stems होते हैं वो green होते हैं और soft होते हैं. The next two categories are climbers and creepers. So climbers, they take support to climb. Okay, तो वो ज़मीन पे ग्रो टिक नहीं पाते या फिर स्टैंड टॉल नहीं कर पाते, स्टैंड स्ट्रेट नहीं कर पाते, इसके लिए वो सपोर्ट लेते हैं ऑफ मे बी अनदर प्लांट और वॉल, या फिर कोई स्टिक होगी या रॉक होगा, उसका सपोर्ट लेके ग्रो करते हैं. क्रीपर्स, दे ग्रो अलोंग द ग्राउंड. क्रीपर्स जो है ग्राउंड पे ही क्रीप अलोंग करते हैं एंड दे ग्रो अलोंग द ग्राउंड ओनली. So what are the different parts of a plant that we've seen? So the different parts of a plant are root, stem, leaf, bud and flower, fruit, seed. Okay, and the lifespan of plants. So mango tree or a banyan tree, it can live for many years. Okay, basil tree, money plant, okay, they survive for few years, and sunflower and maize can live for only few months. All right. So I hope children you followed this chapter on the different parts, the plants that are around us, and you also know about the different parts of the plants now, okay, and their lifespan as well. So quickly revise the chapter before we get on to the exercises. So assessment time. A, choose the correct answer. 1. Which type of plant has a trunk? Tree, shrub or herb? It's the tree. Which type of plant has a green and soft stem? Shrub, herb or tree? It's the herb. Which one of these is not a climber? P, grapevine or pumpkin? It is pumpkin. It's a creeper. Which part of a plant grows under the ground? Leaf, stem or root? Root. From which part of a plant does a baby plant grow? Fruit, flower or seed? It is the seed. B, write true or false for the following. Trees are big and tall plants. True. The thick and hard covering of a tree is called a bark. True. Herbs are bushy plants. True. A stem carries water and food to all parts of the plant. True. Flowers contain seed. False. They contain a bud. Okay. See, fill in the blanks. The hard and strong stem of a tree is called trunk. Dash are also called seasonal plants. They are the herbs. The plants that grow along the ground are known as creepers. Leaf is also known as leaves are also called the food factory of a plant. Soft and fleshy part of a plant is called fruit. D, match the columns, column A with column B. Okay. Money plant is B, climber. Hibiscus is C, shrub. Mint is D, herb. Peepal is E, tree. And pumpkin is A, creeper. E, answer the following questions. So बच्चों ये questions जो है आपको अपने words में इनके answers लिखने हैं. Okay, जैसे कि आपको बताना है what are trees. तो trees के बारे में आपको लिखना है कि उसका definition क्या है और different type of trees के examples देने हैं आपको. Name the plants that have green and soft stems. So again you have to tell what are the plants that have green and soft stem called. Okay, उनके examples देने हैं और उनकी uses भी आपको अगर पता है तो you can write about it. Then you have to tell the difference between the climbers and the creepers, okay, and you have to also tell us the names of various parts of the plant. Think and tell. Birds usually make their nest on a tree. Why? So birds जो है generally अपना nest जो बनाते हैं, घर जो बनाते हैं, वो बनाते हैं on trees. बताओ क्यों? A creeper grows along the ground. Why can't it climb up like a climber? Okay, so जो creeper है वो it grows along the ground, but वो climb क्यों नहीं कर सकता जैसे climber is there? So you have to tell us the reason about it. Okay, so think about it and tell us. Fun time. Okay, you have to collect pictures of different trees, herbs, shrubs, and then you have to paste them on a chart and display this chart in your class. So आपको ये सारे different types of trees, herbs, shrubs के pictures जमा करके एक chart paper पे लगाना है और अपने class में दिखाना है. Life skills and values. Plants are our green friends. Okay, they are useful to us in many ways, so we should take care of them. So हम सबको पता है कि plants जो है हमारे green friends हैं and हमें बहुत different तरीके से help करते हैं. Okay, so that is the reason why it is very important to take care of these plants. Soumya always plucks flowers from the plant. When her friend Ananya sees this, she asks her not to do so, as plants are also living things and feel pain. What value is shown by Ananya? Okay, so सौम्या को जो है flowers और flowers pluck करने की आदत है. So अनन्या जब देखती है तो उसको बोलती है कि you should not do that because plants also are living things and they can feel. Okay, so what is this value that Ananya is showing? She is showing that she cares for the plants and she is stopping Soumya from doing it. Okay, so you have to talk about this and mention about the value that Ananya is showing. Next is subject connect. Write rhyming words for the following. So आपको आगे जो दिए गए words है उसके rhyming words बताने. First is root. So इसके साथ क्या बन सकता है? Shoot. Okay. Tree. Free. Okay. Third is leaf. Thief. Okay. Fourth is pea. Tea. Okay, so I hope children you can find more words apart from what I've already said. तो बच्चों अभी आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़ना है. Okay, revise कर दो, then finish all the exercises and all the activities. All right? So I hope children you have enjoyed learning this chapter as much as I have enjoyed teaching it to you. So बच्चों I hope कि आपको सब reasons पता चल चुके हैं कि क्यों चीज़ें हो रही हैं. Okay, और इसके behind का scientific reason क्या है. And I'm sure that you're going to share this knowledge, whatever you are learning, with others as well. And also, you know, not assume things but understand things. Because जब हम लोग assume करते तब हम गलतियाँ करते. जब हम उसको understand करते उसके behind जो भी formulas है या उसके behind जो भी scientific reasons है उन्हें हम समझते हैं तब हमारा knowledge और ज़्यादा बढ़ता है and then we think in the right direction. So now children, quickly revise the chapter and complete whatever activities and exercises are there. Alright, get going.